Welcome to Horizon Site Pro. Today we're going to go over how to create a client user. So here we're at the dashboard. We'll go over to the sidebar. We have clients. If we click the plus sign, that's a quick link to the creation page. We will click on the clients. These are the clients we have so far. You can delete, you can show their information, and you can edit them. If we go to the top here, you can click new client and we can get started. Now the client name is not their access, it is just the name for this client. And so it might be a company you're doing work for. If it's an individual, you may just use your last name. For our example, we will use a company name. Maybe we're renovating part of their office space. Enter phone number, city, state, or province, and which country. Now at the bottom, you can add the users. Now with this company, maybe they requested that 3 different people within the company have access to the account so that they can log in and approve change orders, view information, whatever you need them to. You would enter their name, their email, and this will give them the access. If you were doing work for an individual, you may just enter their last name, and then you could give access and create an account for the husband and the wife each to have access, or multiple people. There's other family members. You can create as many users for this client that you want to. That's how to create a client in Horizon Site Pro.